It's time to change the way the world views herpes. Synergy are revolutionizing the current treatment approach to viral diseases, developing the first all-natural combination proven to completely eliminate the herpes simplex virus. This medical breakthrough has been able to achieve more than any antiviral medication or vaccine ever produced, in what is a huge step forward in ending herpes worldwide. Synergy are expanding to meet the needs of the global market, diversifying its production, upscaling manufacturing, and extending its capabilities to enable people access to the treatment across the world. Building on the results achieved and delivering the first product proven to completely eliminate the herpes virus. Giving people a natural alternative to conventional medication without the side effects or dependency on suppressive medication. Proving that the complex matrix of human health is not just product-based, but rather an individual person-centered approach. The herpes virus is no longer the incurable disease it once was. Stop wishing for change and take the steps to being herpes-free today.